Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another video. As you can see, my Cloth and Paper monthly subscription box has showed up on my doorstep today, and I am so excited to share with you what is in this box. So every month we have been getting a new type of pouch. This is a vegan leather pouch. This month it says non-negotiables on it. It's in black. And then on the back it says CP for Cloth and Paper. Oh my God, I love this bag. I'm trying to decide which one I love the most, like the one from last month or this month. So let's get into it. I see some pins right here. Go ahead and pull everything out. So excited. As you can see, I signed up for Pinspiration. It was a $10 add-on, and I was like, I need that. I need those pins. All right, let's see. Let's start with the sticky notes. This says made for you, designed in Richmond, Virginia, Cloth and Paper. The sticky notes are amazing because they are, you see that, made in Japan. That makes all the difference, I'm telling you. So this is a mini oblong sticky note in ash. At the top you have transparent, and then here at the bottom it is matte. This is a beautiful color. It's almost like a nice little peachy color. Love that. Okay, then y'all, I jumped the gun too. I normally pull out my what's inside card so I can make sure I'm going over everything. Jump the gun. Let me go ahead and show you my what's inside card. And if you're new to Cloth and Paper, we always get a what's inside card so you can see exactly what's in there. There's a description of everything in here and then a picture on the back. So we have those beautiful sticky notes. Let me see. Okay. All right, next we have a dashboard. It's called a New Era. It says introducing a New Era dashboard, a fashion-forward experience focused on curating a renewed version of yourself for 2024. Embrace the latest trends without borders, as the bottom text eloquently speaks in French, Italian, and Spanish, adding a touch of global sophistication to your style journey. So, oh, the card feels good too. Oh, y'all, that's so nice. And these are items from Cloth and Paper. Some of them are from the Estate box, some of them are the sub box. And at the bottom, it's the different languages. Dashboard is cute. All right, next we have the Ivy Lee Method Planner inserts. Okay, these are the inserts right here. I can tell y'all, I got these in my box that had the sneak peeks, and I've enjoyed using these. I'm going to probably share a video with you on some different ways you can do it if you're not interested in the Ivy method, or different ways that you can use them if you're not interested in this. So it says our new Ivy Lee method inserts offer a customizable layout with section titles on the left and notes on the right. Additionally, 6 dedicated boxes are included to streamline the organization of your Ivy Lee task, seamlessly aligned with accompanying notes on the right. So we'll have some things that will show us how to use this, but I usually just put the things I need to do and then really break it down with the notes right here. Okay, next, of course, you've already seen this, but it's the vegan leather dust bag. It said our second edition of the vegan leather dust bag, titled Non-Negotiables, is built for your everyday essentials and most prized possessions, featuring white embroidery and an avant-garde colorway. This becomes a sleek yet functional statement piece. And y'all, I keep my planners in here. Sometimes I keep just some stationery that I want to keep in my bag with me. So these These are great for a variety of things. Okay, next, y'all, I'm so excited about this. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. We have a stencil. Oh, it's weighty. Y'all, this is weighty. It says elevate your planning experience with this minimalistic design, perfect for adding small finishing touches to your organizational endeavors. The strategically placed blank space in the layout offers an ideal canvas for Matchstick and arrow page flags, allowing you to personalize and streamline your planning process with ease. Look at that. So pretty. It's got cloth and paper right here. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. And so what they're saying is you can use some of your page flags on here. See, you just put your page flags, all the different ones on here, and keep this in your planner. Ooh wee, this is so sleek. I love it. All right, let's see what's next. Next, let's go with the Moment sticky note set. Y'all, this is so nice. On the front, it says, take a moment. Wait till you open this up. Wait till you see this, if you haven't seen it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Concrete and pimento. And y'all, these were made in Japan. When I tell you the stickiness of them and how they stick is so nice. So nice. Oh, I love these. So it says, capture a nostalgic charm with these sticky notes, crafted to resemble printed photos. Encased in packaging, embossed with a reminder to take a moment, this set of 2 features delightful hues in pimento and concrete, adding a touch of style to your note-taking experience. So beautiful. I love this. Then we have a bookmark. A couple of bookmarks. We have bookmarks. It says the photo strip serves as a tangible reflection of the care, can you see that? Care and craftsmanship inherent in our brand, seamlessly connecting with the photo theme of the box. Its transparency and texture feel authentically emulate a real photo strip. Yeah. That is beautiful. All right, and then we have another one. I don't even want to pronounce this, y'all. Toy Meme. Oh, okay. Exploring themes of self-confidence and self-worth, and presented on a subtle eggshell paper stock for a touch of elegance and resilience. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Cloth and paper right here. Okay, love those 2 bookmarks. All right, and then we have some cards and pins. Here's a card we have, Harmonia. It says, a consistent, orderly arrangement. Nice. Okay, then I have my member access card. Put that over to the side. Here's another card. Oh, those colors are gorgeous. Those colors are gorgeous. I believe this came with a pinspiration too. This came with a pinspiration as well. Wonderful. And then of course, y'all, I'm not ready for April. We just started the year. I'm not ready for April. Okay, and then we have our second reflection card. It's our reflection prompt card. You ready for it? There you go. One step at a time. And if you got the box, please don't forget, because I did the first time, you can peel this off. Isn't that beautiful? One step at a time. How can you bring in more balance? I've been seeing people like taking pictures of themselves, like putting their lipstick and lip gloss on with those. Okay. All right. Still have something else. This is called the Ivy Lee Method Sticky Note. Oh, okay. So it says, embark on an innovative task management journey with our latest horizontal format designed for 6 daily tasks. It says, encased in a folder-like packaging, the cover not only introduces the Ivy Lee method, but also features a perforated design, allowing you to seamlessly transform it into a standalone journaling card with an attached sticky note for endless possibilities. I like this though. Hey, let me show you something real fast too, because I forgot to show you. There's always a demo page in the back. So you can see here, have a client meeting prep, and then they just put some little notes next to it. Had a great meeting with the client, feeling good about this project, 11 a.m. Zoom call, exercise break, having a planned break, refresh my energy, update weekly planner, plan social content. So we will dig more into this Ivy Lee method when we do some planning. All right, let's go into our pinspiration part. I love the way that has cloth and paper on the front of it. I'm gonna do something special with that this month. All right, so this came with pinspiration, and these just came with the box. I do believe, I thought they were starting it in April, but if you are a part of watching Happy Hour Live, I thought I heard her say we were going to start getting 2 pins a month in the box, but I thought that was April. Could be wrong though. Okay, I know it's a highlighter in here. Let me see, do I have one of these? Should be a pen test. Pen test. There we go. Right here. Pen test. Okay. So we have 3 pens. This has to be the neutral highlighter. I messed up last time, y'all. Oh, it's like grayish green, but it's absolutely something I would use. That's pretty. That's what that looks like. And let's see what this one is. Ooh, what can I see? Okay, this is a Uni pen. Oh, 0.7, and it's black. Ooh. Oh, butter, y'all. Butter. Smear test. Maybe just a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, smear just a little bit. If you use this in your planner, be careful. But this pen is butter. Ooh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let it dry just a little bit. All right, and then we have the Keiko Green biodegradable gel ink pen, and it's in 0.5. Take this off of here. Is this writing in green? No, black ink. There we go. Black ink. Y'all, oh, this is so Nice. Okay, try that again. Just very little, very little. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, I love both of these. Both of these I love so much. Okay, and it just says cards and pins on the card. We just get a assorted pin set. So we'll get, okay, this is what this pen looks like. Pretty white pen. Okay. Okay, here comes this pen. Sorry for the shaking. It is an erasable pen. I know some of y'all are like, Lacey, just do this. Okay, this is nice. I love that it erases. Okay, so this pen is a white pen, and look, it writes on the black sticky note. Okay, all the pens work now. You just gotta work it sometimes, I guess. All right, so this is a little highlighter. Okay, I like that color. I like that color. And this one's called Live Color. Okay. Oh, wow. That is it for the box, y'all. So good. It's so good. Y'all know, I want to know, what is your favorite item in this box? Okay, it's gonna be, I think it's hard for me to choose this time, but I'm going to go with the ruler being one of my favorites. And y'all, I really like these sticky notes. These are gorgeous. So I'm gonna go with the ruler in this. And of course we have to say the bag, right? Have to say the bag. So that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for joining me again. If you're new here, go ahead and hit or smash, as the young people say, that subscribe button, and click on notification bells, y'all, for other videos that's going to be uploaded soon. I am getting ready to take all of my things and organize them, so I can go ahead and start preparing to use them with my planning. And so other than that, I really appreciate you joining me again. If you have any questions, let me know. But y'all, I do want to know, did you love the bag? Did you not? And what was your favorite item in the bag? What's your favorite item? All right, thank you again for joining me. And don't forget, take charge of your life, one plan at a time. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.